Hello YouTube. I want to do a quick thank you video to Scott in Chicagoland. I appreciate you sending me some CAD 6 cable here. In my previous video, if you're wondering what's going on, in my previous video I mentioned that my CAD 5 cable went bad and I don't have good internet connection in the GMRS shack / camper, and he got me some new CAD 6 cable, so I really appreciate this. This is the UV, this is the better stuff than I had before, to be honest with you, so I do really appreciate that. Now, he does Toys for Tots, which is a really good cause. Now, I'm going to post a link in the description below where you can go check out there, and you know maybe perhaps you'll see something on there you want to buy, but it's for Toys for Tots. So check that out. I would appreciate that. Again, thanks for sending that. That really, I truly really do appreciate it. So at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I have more problems. I got to run this cable yet. And by the way, it's like 92 degrees today, so it's going to be fun. But again, thank you. And everyone else, you all have a good afternoon. And if you have any comments or questions, post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.